Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. As this is a daily analysis as usual, we're gonna start by observing the price position from our channels. Of course, in case we are bearish, we are taking a double 1-2 here. The wave 1-2 is an expanding diagonal. Of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave for interfering. There is no other way to count this as a wave 3, and because of course it has to be an impulse, and this is not the case, then okay, we are in an expanding diagonal, wave 1, 2, and this is our wave 3. If this is true and this is a wave 3, 4, and a 5, then we need of course a break down here for the base channel, continuation for a massive wave 3. Otherwise, of course, the things might still turn, of course, to bullish as a 1-2, meaning double 1-2. Yeah, so 1-2, 1-2. This diagonal as 5 waves up might be a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 toward the upside. And that means, of course, yes, the bullish still has one more chance as an ABC there, A, B, and a C, wave 2, and then pushing towards the upside. This is the last test area and the last scenario for a bullish probability here that it might shift towards the upside. Once it is broken and eliminated, then I shift bearish, totally bearish in a deep correction. And to confirm it, because I need to break the 1-to-1 fib level here as an A, B, and a C, and then after this we push towards the downside, then okay, it is our wave 3 unfolding towards lower prices. Further confirmation is a broken, of course, base channel, preferably to break it decisively, which I doubt it. Honestly, I'm still doubting this scenario, guys. Since we are still inside the base channel, I'm gonna keep doubting this scenario. I'm sorry, guys. This is how it works. So, for the regular flat, we have, of course, a potential scenario still an ABC. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 might still be unfolding toward the upside here as a wave A, and then having wave B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 might still be even an expanding flat here as an A, B, and a C 130, 150K, and then pushing toward the downside again for a massive wave C that it might finish, of course, our ABC correction as a bear market, because we need the time also. Of course, the time can be even much more longer. This is a minimum time requirement for regular flat. And then pushing towards the upside for a 200K bull run. A very shallow bear market, and even you might get a chance for new all-time high during this bear market, and then pushing, of course, for a wave 3 here, 200K for Bitcoin. Now, another possibility is the deep correction, deep bear market, which is a 1-2, and of course wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, and of course looking for wave B after finishing wave A there, and then of course wave C. As you can see, the time can range even until that time, meaning we're talking after 2028 here, 2-3 years, of course, of corrections, and then pushing toward the upside, which I doubt it so much so far. I doubt it, of course, because as the evidence that we saw on the daily channeling is still not given yet for this scenario. On the 2 hours chart here, we are looking still at our potential finish structure ABC, also as bearish in case we are bearish ABC, meaning the wave C is an expanding diagonal. I believe that no one predict that expanding diagonal just on KG trading, and it has worked with us perfectly. We took the high. It's true we didn't took the perfect fib level, but don't forget that once you take the high, as we mentioned before as well, and we had of course our line, all what we need is a new high here to have a longer wave 5 than a wave 3, and it has worked 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and potentially even nobody knows that this can still be an expanding diagonal as a wave 5. Of course, the probability is very low, but still there. My highest probability right now is at least an ABC there, because we got an impulse, and potentially this might unfold, of course, an ABC correction or a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, in the case of a correction, yes, we are expecting a push toward the upside again. It can be, of course, a wave 3 after double 1, 2 here, where you have, of course, an expanding diagonal as a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the upside. And then, of course, in case we drop down from this area, we continue toward the downside here within a wave 5, of course, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. That it might be our deep bear market, which I still doubt it until we break this level. Yep, so this is regarding, of course, the 2 hours. Let's dive on the 15-minute chart and micro level. As you know, we are looking here at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finished impulse, I'm looking for a correction in a wave B or a wave 2. Minimum target here is 0.38. Now, it can be, of course, not yet taken, of course, and it can be a larger ABC because the time also is required, and we might continue the push towards the downside here for a Bitcoin. And that means, of course, a new impulse might unfold from there as an ABC. No one says, of course, that the wave B cannot be higher. So you have two possibilities here, whether this area or it might be even stronger rebound, and this might make it a shorter wave C and then pushing towards the upside in another 1-2 here, large 1-2, of course, we are looking at for Bitcoin. So I'm looking for lower sooner or later. Yeah, it can be also from this area. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.